Hi everyone, this is Karma Lichty-Bauman. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your menu on your WordPress website. You may have noticed up to this point that whenever you add a page to your WordPress website, it simply adds that page across the menu on your site. I'm going to show you the site that we're going to change before we actually change it behind the scenes. So here's the menu currently for this website. It has these 5 options, and also notice when I hover over the About option, I get another option below that. Let's see how that's done and how you can set that up. Underneath Appearance, back in the WordPress dashboard, you'll see the option for Menus. Now, if you're just coming in here for the first time, this area here will just be blank, and you'll click on Create New Menu. And we'll give this menu a name called Main. I'm going to call mine Main 2 because I know I've already set up a main menu, so just to make this one a different name. Then I'm going to select Create Menu. And this is really easy to do to set up your menu. After you create the menu, on the left-hand side in this Pages box, you'll see a list of your pages. Now, if you don't see all of them, be aware there are 3 tabs here. If I click on View All, I'll see all my pages. I'm going to stay on Most Recent, and I want to add my home page, my products page, my courses page, and the About page. So I've made those selections. I'm going to click the option here to Add to Menu, and that's going to show up in this area of my screen. This is beautiful. I can simply click, and I want this to be the first one, and I'll leave those as the same. Let's say I want to add another page similar to what we saw on the current site. I want to add under blog, just for demo purposes. I'm going to add that to the menu. And I actually want to put the blog underneath About. So notice as I drag this in, it indents it under About. And now this becomes what we call a sub-item under About. If I expand any of these options by clicking on this arrow to the left, I can change what it actually says on the menu bar. It's going to default to the page name, but you can change that here. All right, so I've created the menu. I'm going to click on Save Menu. And then to make this the menu that's being used, because I have several menus set up here at this point, I need to scroll down here, and where it says Theme Locations, I want to make this the primary menu, meaning this will be the menu that's being used. And you just click on Save Menu again to capture that most recent change. Now if I go back to the site and do a refresh, we should see this menu change to the menu that we just created. Excuse me. So we see the 4 options, and underneath About we see our blog. That's how easy and quickly you can set up your own menu. I want to mention just a couple other things that have been gotchas over the years as I work with menus. If you add several menus and you go to select a different menu here, you make a selection there, be sure to click on this Select menu because it does not change anything here that you see. We do not see Active Menu yet. If I click on Select, now it shows Active Menu. Then I can make any changes I want. If I wanted to delete an item, expand and say Remove, and that will remove that option from the menu. All right, so that's how you create your own menus inside WordPress.